NotebookLM is an AI-powered learning assistant. It requires a little more setup from you than a generic AI bot like Gemini or ChatGPT, but you're going to get better and more advanced outputs. To begin, go to notebooklm.google.com. Choose Create a New Notebook. Creating a notebook for each class is pretty common. If you have a really huge project, you could create a notebook just for that project. I'm going to close this pop-up and give mine a title first. NotebookLM can do a whole bunch of different things, but let's just focus on a few. First things first, use the Add Sources button to add anything to the notebook that you want to use for study or learning. Typical things are your notes, lecture presentations, vocabulary lists, study guides, and so on. You can upload and search items from your Google Drive, or you can add in websites, YouTube videos, even just plain text. What's different about NotebookLM is that the AI will stick only to the resources that you select in this left menu, so your results are quicker and more accurate to what your teacher gave you to study. There's much less chance for hallucinations and inaccurate web information from questionable sources that can muddy up your results. I can continue to add sources as I need over the semester, and once items are in my notebook, I can use the Studio features on the right. First, I'll select the resource or resources that I want from the left column, and then generate the Studio item I want. Something like flashcards is great to review vocabulary. And once generated, these flashcards live in this NotebookLM, so I could easily pop in and review a few words frequently, which makes it easier to learn these words over time. Flashcards are great for vocabulary studying, but for something like reviewing a unit before a test, I might want something more visual. I'll select both of my Unit 1 review documents and then choose Mind Map. This can help me visualize and see the connections between the major ideas in the unit better. Or if you want something like a podcast that you can listen to, try the audio overview. Be forewarned that the podcast can take several minutes for NotebookLM to generate, especially if your source material is really long like mine is. But once it is mixed, you have a podcast on demand as needed.
Welcome to the Deep Dive.
It even has an interactive feature where you can pop into the podcast as a listener and ask the hosts questions.
And thinkers like Socrates, Aristotle, Plato, they were really the original architects of the mind, conceptually speaking.
But for psychology to become a science, it needed
And of course, you can download the MP3 file if you want to have access outside of NotebookLM.
Yes. Argued, the mind starts entirely blank.
This Studio feature in NotebookLM goes way beyond the outputs of generic chatbots, allowing you to easily create different types of study materials that are a good fit for your learning style. And best of all, they are organized nicely in your notebook, so you can find them easily as needed. And this notebook becomes an ideal way to study for your unit tests, finals, and your AP exams.